Hello and welcome to Cooking with George. Today we are going to be making packet brownie mix. Step number 1, you need to preheat the oven. Just turn on the oven. Step 2, you need to cut the butter. To cut butter, simply knife butter. Now that you have officially knifed your butter, put it in the noodle cooking microwave and let it melt. Now combine all the ingredients into one pan. Now, use a wooden spoon to give your brownie mix a good old rub. Now that your mix is well combined, begin to put it in the pan that you prepared earlier. For the more skilled master bakers, we are going to be adding cookie dough on top of the brownie. Now it is simply time to give your cookie dough a good old rub. Now that you have combined your cookie dough, proceed to place it on top of your brownie. Now proceed to put the mix in the oven. Now that the process is complete, you need to cut it up after it has cooked. Tune in next week on Cooking with George when we make instant coffee.